In this particular video, we'll see how to add two different lists. Okay, so let's take an example of list 1, list underscore 1, and here we'll try to define some of the elements. So I will just give 10, 20, 30, 50, 90, 100. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell. And now we'll try to define one more list 2 is equal to, and here also we'll try to give some of the elements. I will just give it as 88, 98, 55, 65, 25. Okay, so now we'll try to run this particular cell. So now we want the combined list of these two lists together. Okay, so that means like the final list, I want all these elements together in that particular list. Okay, so for that what we can do is like final underscore list is equal to, so we'll try to add both the list underscore 1 plus list underscore 2. We'll try to run this particular cell. Okay, so now final list is equal to list underscore 1 and list underscore 2. So now we'll try to see the final output. Print of final underscore list. Now let's try to, so now we have run this particular cell final list, and here we got the output of all the elements combined together from the list 1 and list 2. So this is how you can add two different lists in Python. Okay, so don't forget to like this particular video, follow for more.